What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community on YouTube. And on today's episode, quick one, it's going to be about vehicle versions. It's just a follow-up because he hasn't posted in a while, just to see what I think might happen or what you think might happen in the comments below. And just before we jump into that, guys, just so you know, thanks to all the subscribers. If you like this kind of stuff, it would be sick if you would hit the subscribe button. Hoping to get 2,000 subs. Also, guys, you can vote for your 2020 car YouTuber of the year. It's down the link below. I just thought it'd be a bit of fun because nobody else is doing it. Because I basically made the list as best as I could. I was limited to how many I could put into it. So if you just want to click on the link, you can do multiple votes on whoever you want. I try to make it as fair as possible, so don't bash me in the comments if one of your car YouTubers isn't on there. But do get voting. I'll announce the winner on the 1st of January, I think, just to see who comes out on top. So share it, let everybody know who knows about the car YouTube scene to get voting. It'd be a lot of fun to see who comes out on that one indeed. And also, guys, if you're interested in coming on the channel, I want to turn this into kind of a discussion talk show channel. Hit me up on my Instagram. Let me know you want to come on, do a Zoom call for half an hour or something, and just chat about what's going on in the supercar scene. It'll be pretty dope indeed. So, as I said, getting on to my video. Now, this is quite funny because I would like to call him a colleague or fellow car YouTuber, Ice Cream Vlogs. Great channel. You should go over and check him out. He does some great work on what he does, and he basically just made a video about vehicle versions as well. It's funny because that was my video for today. When I woke up this morning, because I'm in Ireland and saw his, it's like, oh, we're both going to have one out on the same day. But yeah, he made some very good points in his, and I'll just say about mine. I think he could be dead. He hasn't posted in 2 weeks. But maybe the other option, what he could be doing is he could be just letting everything die down because he's gotten so much hate in the comments. And he could just come back in the new year with a whole new rebrand and going back to his old ways. Now, it's going to be one or two things, guys. He's either just going to leave it die and just not come back at all, or he's going to leave it until the new year and come back with a all new whatever. Now, if he does come back with in the new year, he needs to apologize. I think he needs to clear the air, completely strip back all the crap, be done with it. He really just shot himself in the foot, and just take away his ego and just tone things down, get back to the old ways, and just basically do what he used to do best all those years ago. As I said, Ice Cream Vlogs cover this. He used to just cover normal cars back years ago. I've been a sub on his channel for over 3 years, and it just looks like things have spiraled out of control, all that stuff with DDE. But yeah, I mean, like, look, guys, I want to hear from you in the comments below what you think is going to happen. What do I think? I just don't know. I really don't. It looks like he's just stopped posting out of the blue. He's got off social media. So you don't know what's happened here. I think if he doesn't post within the first week of the new year, I'd say we could pretty much say his channel's gone. It's dead. He's probably not going to come back. Ice Cream did come up with a good idea that his sister could maybe take it over, maybe revamp it and do that maybe. But and then again, something could come out of left field, and we were like, what the hell is he doing with the channel now? So yeah, doing this stuff with these rapper kids and all this, like, it really just, he tried to be too flamboyant and stuff. He should just really go back to, I'd love to see him go back and do normal cars reviewing them, or their modifying potential, like what kit you can put on them, what power you can get out of them for affordable people, will really help him. But yeah, I just think I think it could possibly be dead. It could be the end of him. He wasn't getting the views. You know, he barely even get over 50,000. The thing was, he was saying he's going to post 3 times a week. He was back, blah blah blah, and then he was like pumping out the videos. They were not getting him traction. He said he knew how the YouTube algorithm worked, but obviously it doesn't. So I don't know, guys, is it the end? Will we not see him anymore? Could he pop up in the new channel, or is he going to come back in the new year with some new ideas? I don't know. Tell me in the comments below. I want to hear from you guys. Also, in tomorrow's video, this comment will come up here from a subscriber of mine. It's going to be discussing about DD and Stradman. Are they in competition? I don't know. It'll be tomorrow's video. It's another discussion video. My video is going to be pretty short at the moment, up until I'm in the process of moving house. I've gotten some new background stuff, so that will all be coming up shortly as well. But yeah, that's everything for today, guys. Do subscribe, hit this like button, get it up high, comment, let me know, I'll write back to you. And yeah, till tomorrow's video, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.